Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you the proverb health is wealth, prevention is better than cure, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, you are what you eat. So friends, all these proverbs meaning is somewhat similar. Today I am going to discuss in the class. You all know the meaning of this proverb, but the why I am taking the class is how we have to write is very important. First we have to do is that we have to summarize few points, and according to that point we have to expand our proverb, essay or letter writing, anything. So friends, what's more important is that in earlier days our ancestor used to live in villages. There the climate was the weather was very pure, so their health was very good. They used to live in village life, means village life, that is a very pure form of living, or we can say now we can say that it was holistic living style was there. So now what we have shifted to cities or metropolitan cities. Here the congestion is more, pollution is more, and the expectations of people are more, and people are becoming more and more ambitious for their survival. They have to run, so that's what causing the lot of health problems. So children don't have enough space to play, and elder people also can't go outside. That is also cause for their bad health. Youngsters are busy in some ambitions or performing themselves to the fullest. So this is also causing lot of stress on them. So friends, here I have written the points. See, distancing from nature is one of the important cause. See, physical exertions means earlier people used to do lot of physical exertion, as there were machines were not there. So hurry, so everyone is hurrying and they are in some sort of stress, and expectations of people have been increased, and tolerating power has become less. See friends, again pollution is also the main cause of our bad health, and technological inventions are also main cause. See, when the TV and mobiles have come, people have stopped talking to each. Literally, people are not talking to each other. See, everyone is busy in their mobiles. That is also, and we are automobiles. We are using lot of vehicles for transportation. So for going market or to near place also, everyone is taking their vehicles. So nobody wants to walk. That is also main cause of our bad health. See, disturbance, what has happened is the emotional and physical health is getting disturbed. And one point you can add is that the nuclear families are increasing. So that is also the main reason for our bad health. So diseases are increasing, and how we can overcome is that we have to try to get back to our nature, to nature. We have to do exercises, do pranayama, yoga, and must have proper diet, and we must become consciousness, and we have to try to improve our health. So then only we can enjoy the wealth. So even though we are having, money is also very much required for if we get any ailments or sickness, money is also very much important. See friends, if we have good health, then our money will be very much saved. So here I have written here, friends, even though a poor person, if a person is poor also, then if his health is good, then he is the most wealthiest person on this earth. So here I have written the proverb. See, proverbs are sayings of common man. They have come from their life experiences. This proverb says about the importance of health. Distancing from nature, less physical exertion, hurrying life, stress are spoiling our health. See friends, here one more point I will add, that the national policy has to be strictly implemented towards our health. See, our government must regulate these things. See, mining, deforestation, mining, automobiles, wastage of factories, plastics, contamination of food. These things are also causing our main reason for our bad health. So To get good health, government must implement, regulation bodies should be implemented, set up, and leadership and participation of common people should be there. These points are also you can add in your here after 2-3 here you can add your you can add these points. See, distancing from nature, less physical exertion, hurrying life, stress are spoiling our health. High expectation and less tolerating power, environmental pollution, technological inventions are disturbing our peace of mind. Physical and emotional diseases can be seen in all age groups. To get good health, we have to get back to nature. Exercise and yoga we should practice. By proper diet and consciousness, our life improves. We can enjoy our life to the fullest. Government should give utmost importance to people health by implementation of national policies. Everybody's health is improves. So in this way I have made, friends. The first important thing is that the government should implement very strictly. If you like, subscribe.